Vertical winding machines. Equipment for winding enameled wires into winding separators. Widely used in electrical equipment industry. The common winding machines are 4-station, 8-station, 12-station, etc., aiming at the limitation of a single push-down mold method, slow winding cycle, and the need for separate settings for the starting, winding, and cutting positions. Flexem launches efficient total solution. The solution is applied to the mainstream 6-head 12-station structure, adopting Flexem FE6300 series HMI, FL8 series PLCs, FE300 series servo drives, and ECM series rotary motors. Flexem Intelligent Mold Syncing Algorithm Control. Provide customers with a diverse selection of winding patterns. Intermittent mode. Continuous mode. Winding and syncing mode. Realize multi-purpose use of one machine to meet the needs of different scenarios. The equipment is designed with dual systems for left and right. 3 flying forks are equipped on each side. The rotary table is equipped with 6 stations. The actions of the left and right stations are relatively independent. Mutual non-interference. Ensure efficient and stable operation. The equipment is suitable for 2-pole, 4-pole, and 6-pole motors. The number of winding layers can support 1 to 7 layers. The divider cup adjustment range is from 1 to 25 divisions. Customers can freely combine the processing parameters according to their needs, meeting diverse production needs. HMI allows adjustable winding start and wire cut positions. The equipment can automatically locate the winding and wire cutting positions. No need for manual measurement to distinguish the number of turns. While enhancing the accuracy of operations, it significantly improves work efficiency. Flexem Vertical Winding Machine Solution. With excellent product performance and intelligent mold syncing algorithm, significantly improves winding cycle time and product production efficiency, helping the electrical equipment industry to produce efficiently and stably. Flexem committed to promoting equipment intelligence.